Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are at Bear Wallow Farms and we're going to do a walkthrough of their country Christmas. Now this is something new that they do. Normally they just do like the fall stuff where you can come here and pick pumpkins and the sunflowers and walk through their mazes. So they've set this up completely different. They have a trail of lights, they have hay rides, they have tons of stuff for children. They're going to have Santa here. I believe they said he's over at the barn, so we'll go over and get a shot at him for you guys. But if you guys definitely have kids and you're looking for, maybe pictures with Santa, or, just looking for a place to take your kids for Santa, this is like a really, really cool place. We got here kind of early. They're still kind of setting stuff up and it's not dark yet, so they don't have all the lights on yet. So we're just walking around and just looking at stuff. They open at 4, so from 4 to 10, and today is the opening, so they'll be open from November 26th to all the way till December 18th. They're going to have hot chocolate, they're going to have little bonfire pits set up throughout the place, and you're going to be able to roast marshmallows. I do believe they're going to have food. I thought I saw something about barbecue maybe. I'm not sure yet, they haven't got the shop open yet, but we'll go up and we'll see. They do have a place where you can buy merchandise of Bear Wallow Farms. We did buy our tickets early for this. I do highly recommend that, so if you guys are wanting to come to something like this, do try to get on there about a week or 2 weeks before they open up, because they usually run like a deal, like a discount deal, where you can get tickets for half the price. So we got our tickets for $10 a person. They are regular $19 a person, so do keep that in mind if you guys are wanting to come. And like your food and stuff, all that is all separate in it. So we're going to do a walkthrough. We're going to show you guys all the lights and all the cool stuff that they have, so you guys come along with us.